Lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to check if a string is null or empty in PowerShell. So opening the PowerShell and this place here, PowerShell is there. You can use open here or administrator. So there I'm going to use one important method or function. So writing first a string and this place close, then this place we need to use here double quote, sorry, colon, and there we need to use here is null or empty method. So this return or true and false value, boolean value that return. If a string or empty, then that's return true, else that return false. So there is nothing inside there, so that return true. So here you can see this means that a string is the null or empty. But if I write here something between the double quote, so this return here false. Next thing is let's give here this times some string value JSON. Then you can see here false that return. So is null or empty function that return boolean values. Boolean values, that means if a string has nothing, then that return true, else that return here or false. Okay, so false message this is displaying. Now here I'm going to use single quote this time. Press enter, then you can get here the same output. And if I give a space between the single quote, that means here you can get here false. So this is the another way you can check the strings. So here you can see single quote, but there is no any space. A space had some values, so that this is returning false. But here there is nothing, so that it's returning true. And if I give here something on single quote Adam, press enter, that's returning false. Then that means a string has some value. But if you give here or display something without anything, then there that returning argument. Here you can see method exception cannot find the overload its string and argument count 0. So here it's not counting any argument. So we can give here argument on the single quote or the double quote. Okay, so single quote we can give, and here if I give double quote, so this also returns some problems that count 2 argument. So this only accept here 1 argument. There is some condition of this method, this accept only 1 argument. So here you can see this time there is no any problem. So 0 argument, more than 1 argument, that not accept here. Okay, and there is another things. If I give is null empty, so this also return is null, there is the term recognized like this kind of message, because this is the null empty method that comes under a string, so that a string we need to give there. And if I give here int, so obviously this place press enter, so this here getting the message does not method is empty, because this is null or empty string types, so that we need to give here their string. So let's click here CLS, and now we need to use here a string. After that we can use here is null or empty, so this returning true. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.